The revamp of the Manila Police District continues. This time, 6 station commanders have been affected. Noel Perfecto has the report.
After General Isagani Ganabe Jr. administratively relieved 2 station commanders and the chief of the traffic division of their duties last week, 6 station commanders are under investigation after their alleged lack of services. He also warned 200 Manila police officers who did not conform or attend weekly flag ceremony.
They were administratively relieved because of some reports that should be investigated. At yung iba po dyan ay kung sakasakaling mapatunayan po natin na wala naman po silang kasalanan at hindi po totoo ang mga report, then we will be, ibabalik po natin sila sa kanilang mga tungkulin nung una.
Ganabe identified the 6 station commanders as Superintendent James Afal, Emilio Sedanto, Ferdinand Quirante, Fremencio Bernal III, Francisco Gabriel, and Edgar Ferrater. With this, General Ganabe also warned that he will not hesitate to remove anyone in the Manila Police who did not do their jobs properly.
They should serve well the people of Manila, at kung hindi po nila gagawin yon at iba po ang kanilang gagawin, eh mas maganda po siguro na sila po ay mag-ibang assignment na before the full force of the law will be applied against them.
Meanwhile, the traffic police conducted clearing operations on the 13th Street in Port Area, Manila to resolve the ongoing problem of obstructive stores that causes heavy traffic during rush hours in the area. According to Colonel Olive Sagaysay, Traffic Division Chief of MPD and Port Manager, clearing operations will continue for faster traffic flow.
Yung atin pong mga operations, selective lang yung mga kailangan immediate action. Pero eventually, meron na po kami nakaplano kung saan po yung mga uunahin namin.
Para maluwag po yung daanan ng mga kargamento natin, mapaluwag po natin. Isang paraan yun para maibsan rin naman yung traffic sa buong Maynila.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.